This video will show you how to use the lead management feature. Select Setup, select Marketing, and choose Lead Status. Lead statuses are the stages that you take a lead through in your business. To create a new lead status, select Add New. Enter a name and enter a description. This is for internal purposes only. Select Save and Exit if you're done, or add another and repeat. Next, we'll move to the Message Center. This is where you can create custom emails and text messages with a text message subscription required that can be sent out automatically through your lead flows. Select Add New and choose whether it's going to be an email or a text message. Enter in a name and give it a description. This is for your internal purpose only. Give your message a subject. Next, create your message using the editor. Note that when adding an image, it is recommended that you resize it before uploading. Here are just a few of the things you can do with this editor. Click Save and Exit. Next, we're going to create our lead flow. This is where you create the action sequence that you want to take a lead through from the moment you get their information. Select Add New. Give your flow a name and write a description to help you determine which lead flow you'd like to use in the future. Select the lead status that you want the new leads in this flow to automatically be assigned to. Select Add Action. Give your action a name and give your action a description. Determine when the action is due, either immediately or within a certain time frame from when you assign the lead flow to the lead. We'll make this one 2 days. You can assign the action to a staff member. For automated emails or text messages, this is to inform your staff of actions that are happening on leads they are working with. Select an action type. You can choose a task, an automated email, or an automated text. A subscription is required to use the texting feature. In this automated message drop-down menu, I can choose the message that we've just created. Last, choose your lead status. When this action step occurs, it will automatically move your lead to the status selected here. Click Save and Exit or add another action. Next, we'll move over to Lead Source. This is for tracking how your leads heard about your business. You have the ability to create a lead source as well as subsources. You might want to use subsources to track all your social media in one source, but then create subsources to break it down into Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or whatever social media sites you interact on. Click Add New, name your lead source, give your lead source a description. This is for internal purposes only. You can mark this lead source as internal, which will hide it from members. By selecting a lead flow, all leads that you assign to this lead source will automatically be assigned to the lead flow. This is how you can automate the entire lead flow sequence, assigning all your leads from a specific source to a specific lead flow. You can either select Save and Exit or Add Subsource. If we were to add a subsource here, we could add Facebook under the lead source social media. Click Save and Exit. Let's move over to registration. You have the ability to customize which fields are mandatory at the 4 ways that you can create new members and leads in your system. The 4 types of registration are lead registration. You can customize which fields are mandatory on the new lead form. New member registration, where you can customize which fields are mandatory on the new member form. Self-registration, where you can customize which fields are mandatory when members self-register. Or Quick Add. This button will allow you to add new members directly from the schedules and from the sales tabs. You can read more about this in our help article. Also, you can now install a widget on your website to capture new leads and automatically assign them to a lead flow. To create a widget, select Add New. Name your widget, and then select the fields that you want to show up on the widget. All fields you add will be mandatory. You can either turn on the How Did You Hear About Us field for your new leads to fill in, or more commonly would be Assign to Lead Source. When the form is filled out, if the lead chooses a lead source or is assigned to a lead source that has a lead flow assigned to it, then the new lead will automatically start receiving messages that you have set up in the lead flow. Choose your look and feel. You can preview your widget here, and then select Save and Get Code to get your new code for the widget. Embed it wherever you'd like it to appear. Last, we'll move over to interests. This is a page that your members can update to let you know what they are interested in. This is a great way to get information about programs that you're thinking about running in the future. This is the same tab that you can find in the Personalize area. Select Add New, name the interest, and click Save and Exit.